Trend is sustained. We actually bounced on the exact pivot I predicted in the previous live stream. All right. That's pretty ridiculous. Last live stream I recommended on buying right here. Exactly on the 1.25 standard deviation of the longest overexpanded period. Okay? And we actually hit that almost to the dollar. Our swing low target was here. We hit it perfectly. Let's see how far we missed the target, or how far through we went the target, right? We were off by $5, everybody. So, watch the live streams. Okay? We were betting on trend continuation because on the daily chart, we had an extremely bullish signal. All right? Every period was below the 0.4 value on the daily chart. 0.7, excuse me. And the 14 period crossed both the 100 period and the 0.7 value. That implies the beginning of long-term trend. Since that signal, price has gone up 32%. Watch the live streams. So, where do we go from here? Right? We got our trend re-entry right on this pivot, which means we are still long, and we want to stay long as trend is defined. That's it. All right, currently we are at a short-term swing high by tagging the 3.2 standard deviation of our CLCP. That's fine. We have a compressionary range that formed here, and we are tagging the exact swing high of it. If we broke through this value, it would imply Bitcoin is going parabolic. And by parabolic, I mean bull run. All right, so if we break above this support today, price should continue running indefinitely. If we get rejected from this value, however, I would expect some short-term compression, restoration of potential energy, or at least short-term another retest and then trend continuation. So, again, if we do expand up above this value, Bitcoin will go parabolic. Do keep an eye on that. Until then, just stay long, okay? No reason not to just stay long. I have been long since the beginning of this trend, and I intend to stay long for the entirety of the trend, okay? Not going to sell. I'm just going to hold, all right? We finally caught the beginning of a trend, and we're going to stay in the trend until trend is over. That's the game plan. It's beautiful. All right, that's what I have to say about Bitcoin. Let's check the YouTube comments. FBTC, please. Sure thing. I am a holder of FBTC, believe it or not. I believe this is also an upward trend, and I intend to stay in the upward trend. Trend is your friend, folks. We're having a long-term breakout here on Ethereum. If we actually do see some sustainability in this upward move, I am very interested to see how that plays out. Probably people are concerned about this trend line here. I don't really care about it. As long as Bitcoin continues trending, Ethereum will as well. Typically, if alts start in trends with Bitcoin, they will typically stay in that trend until Bitcoin is done. And vice versa is also true. So if Bitcoin trends but an altcoin goes down, they will stay that way. Really, there's two things that happen. One is the altcoin piggybacks off of Bitcoin price, and two, altcoins try to maintain their USD value, right? So if Bitcoin is increasing in USD value, altcoins will go down in Bitcoin value to maintain their same USD value. Typically, you can identify which one is happening very early on in the trends. So because we have pretty significant signs that Ethereum is increasing with Bitcoin, I would just continue to bet on it as it goes. That's it. All right, let's check YouTube comments again. That's it. All right. Nothing on the Discord channel. Looks like we're good. That's it for today. It's been a pleasure. I'll talk to you all tomorrow at 1 p.m. MST. Just stay in the trend, guys. It's a good chart. Just stay long. Love you. Talk to you all later. Bye.